Hey, it's Julie. I'm back with a video, and from the music and my t-shirt and even on my watch, I'm sure you can guess what's happening. Yeah, it's an unboxing. It's an unboxing of Tom Nook. Now this is already unboxed because this was a little thing I think I bought from Etsy around last year when the game first came out. But Build-A-Bear, in collaboration with Nintendo, have brought out Animal Crossing Build-A-Bears, and they are two of my favourite things. As you can see on this cushion right here, we've got, let's have a look, what have we got? Well, you can see it this way, Animal Crossing Build-A-Bear. These are things that Julie likes, so to put those two things together is totally amazing, totally amazing. So anyway, I won't delay you even further. I haven't opened it yet. It got delivered at about 10:30, hence why I have the 10 AM music playing in the background, because that's what time he came into my life. Although the tiny one is here, it's not even in a box. I'm sure I asked for it to be in a box. Did I not ask for it to be in a box? Not this box, but you know, the Build-A-Bear Club Condo box. So he's upside down and he's got a massive head. Can you see him? He's huge. Let's have a look. Wow. What do you think? How does he compare? What do you think of the Build-A-Bear Tom Nook? What do you think of him? I'm not sure what I think. Which is a true representation? I do like the fact that his shirt is a bit more realistic than this one, but in all honesty, I don't really know. Anyway, I decided to go for his voice, well, his phrases, and you know he doesn't speak English, so what's that? He's saying that I still owe money on my house loan. I don't. Wow, so that is the Tom Nook Build-A-Bear. I don't know, I'm sure all his clothes can come off. So let's just have a quick look. He's got the Build-A-Bear logo on his paw. He's got an Animal Crossing transfer on his foot, which looks like it could peel off at any moment, to be honest. I think these are all quite very rushed. But and then you can see here, there's the Animal Crossing and Build-A-Bear logo on the tag, which I might keep on in case. It seems as if his shorts and his shirt are sewn to his body. Yeah, there's little tack-in kind of things that are sewn to his body, so you can't take it off, but they're just, I think I can release that because I want to see if he can wear other clothes. So that's Tom Nook. What do you think? Let's see what he looks like dressed up in other clothes, if they fit, because he's quite big, so I don't know if other Build-A-Bear clothes are fitted. But anyway, let's see what I can find. So here is my Tom Nook dressed in his Super Mario hoodie and a pair of jeans and some Bearland boots. So not Timberland, Bearland boots. Yeah, his legs are quite short and his feet don't stick out like regular feet. So if I pull it, it will just come off. But he can wear other clothes. It was quite hard to get it over his massive head. It would probably be easier to slip it up over his legs and put it on there. But yeah, his head is huge. I can't put the hood on. Well, I probably could, but it would squash his head completely. But yeah, so he can wear other clothes. And like I was saying before, his shirt and his shorts are like a onesie or a play suit. Tom Nook play suit, that's exactly what it is. And like I said, there were some little tack stitches that were attached at the back of his neck to keep it in place, but that's it. That's Tom Nook.